In this video, I will show you how to run Kaspersky Antivirus. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your search box in the bottom left hand corner and should go ahead and search for Kaspersky. So what should happen, the Kaspersky app should come up underneath Best Match. So you just want to click onto this to open it up. And once this has opened, what you can do is a quick scan from the home screen. So if you come over to this menu on the left hand side, click onto home and you can do a quick scan. Alternatively, what you can do is select the option for security and you can actually choose the type of scan you want to do. So what you would do is press the green choose scan button. As you can see, we've got the option for a quick scan, which normally takes around 5 minutes. And this is normally used whenever an active threat is found. Alternatively, you have got the option to run a full scan, which takes longer but it does check your entire PC. Now, if you are doing a full scan, I wouldn't recommend actually using your PC. You want to let the full scan run because whilst the scan is running, it is going to slow down your PC, especially when you run it for the first time. Now you have got some additional options, for example selective scan, which is where you can zero in on specific files or folders, full fast scan results, and you can also scan removable drives. So if you have any hard drives or USB sticks or anything connected to your PC, you can go ahead and scan the drives as well. As you can see, there's a couple of other types of scans you can do, but the main ones you want to concentrate on is a quick scan and a full scan. So what I'm going to do is just run a quick scan. So once you've chosen the scan you want to do, you just want to press the green run button. Now, as you can see, it's going to start scanning through. So it, dependent on the scan, will depend on how long it takes. For a quick scan, as you can see, it says it normally takes around 5 minutes. A full scan does take a lot longer, so I would only recommend doing this if you are not using your PC. Now, I would recommend doing a scan at least every week, once a week, just to keep on top of your PC security. So basically what you want to do is just leave it to scan. Once the scan has finished, when it gets to about 99%, it's going to come up with a message if there's been anything found. So you can see for my case, it's actually found some malware, which is this Trojan here. Now, what you're going to want to do is press the green button to disinfect and restart the computer. You can try to disinfect without the computer restart. However, by doing this, it does not guarantee complete disinfection. So it's always better to click the green button to actually disinfect and restart your computer. But what you would do is basically tick the box here, click this to disinfect and restart your computer. What it's going to do is go ahead and remove those from your PC. And once your computer restarts, it's going to start up as normal with any threats successfully removed and disinfected. So that is how to run Kaspersky Antivirus. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.